Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will discuss about electronic portfolio of international credentials, that is EPIC. I will tell you what EPIC is, what the benefits of EPIC are, and why you should create an account with EPIC. As always, this channel aims to provide all the information you need if you want to pursue your medical career as an IMG in the United States and Canada. In my previous videos, I have shown step by step on how to apply for the USMLE exams, and I'm pretty sure if you follow those steps, you will be able to apply smoothly for the exams. I have also shown on how to verify your credentials for the Canadian medical licensing exams or for the immigration in Canada. If you have any interest, please click the link in the description below. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. This means a lot to this channel. Now let's get started. First of all, let's talk about the Educational Commission for Foreign Medical Graduates, or ECFMG. One of the main functions is to assess whether international medical graduates are ready to enter residency or fellowship program in the US through a program of certification. This is an effective screening mechanism for ensuring that IMGs in patient care situations have met minimum standards. In addition, ECFMG also evaluates the qualifications of IMGs such as physician credentials related to their medical education, training, licensure, and offers this service through Electronic Portfolio of International Credentials, or EPIC programs. Now, what are the benefits of having an EPIC account? The biggest benefit is you can have your credentials verified and available as soon as you need those. That means, as for example, you are planning for the USMLE exams or may also apply, but for any reason you have changed your mind or got an opportunity somewhere else. So you need to verify your credentials, right? So if you already have a portfolio with EPIC, you can use those whenever you need. You don't need to worry. The other benefit is EPIC is web-based service. EPIC's innovative web-based process allows you to store your verified credentials in one secure centralized location, and you can access them from anywhere in the world. With just a few clicks, you can request verifications for any organizations involved in evaluating your qualifications. And because you are using EPIC, these organizations will have the confidence that they are receiving your credentials and verifications directly from ECFMG. Here you can see a list of organizations that accept verification through ECFMG. You can also click on the link on EPIC website for special requirements and instructions for that particular organization. Now the fees. The account fee is $130 that includes account establishment and certification of your EPIC identification form by Notary Cam. This is the same process as submitting Form 186 for the USMLE application. I do have a video on how to submit Form 186. If you have an interest, please click the link in the description below. The verification of credentials will cost $100 per credential, which means if you want to verify only a medical degree, then it would cost $100. If you want to add a transcript, it would cost $200 in total. Now, what happens to previously verified credentials? If a credential has been verified previously by ECFMG for ECFMG certification or on behalf of a medical regulatory authority through ECFMG's International Credential Services, you may not need to upload these credentials through EPIC and pay for the verification. Within 10 business days of establishing your EPIC account, ECFMG will review your file, and if these verifications are acceptable, it will be automatically added to your EPIC portfolio at no cost. In summary, I would highly encourage you to establish a EPIC portfolio because I believe you do not want the medical regulatory authorities to send credentials each time they need to verify. This would still not be a problem. The problem is many medical schools or institutions do not respond or do not know how to respond to those verification requests, or those requests may get lost on their way to your medical school. So it might delay your application process, or you might miss an important deadline that nobody wants. If you do not have an EPIC account, you might need to go through this again and again. So I did open my account. Now it's your choice. That's all for today. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share with your friends, and turn on the notification bell icon so that you do not miss any of my new videos. This will really encourage me to make more videos like this. I greatly appreciate your feedback. Thank you so much for watching.